Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to set up a Robinhood account. If you don't know what Robinhood is, you can go back. I did a video on the introductions to that, so you can go back, check that out, and then come back here to set up the Robinhood account. So if you've already watched that video and you're ready to get started, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to download the Robinhood app. So first off, go onto the Play Store or the App Store to download the app. You got to search for Robinhood and select the app and click Get or Install to download the app to your phone. Once that is done, the next step is creating an account. So you want to go ahead and open the Robinhood app, click Sign Up. Then you got to enter your email address and create a new password. Then you got to provide your name, date of birth, and address. And lastly, you got to answer the security questions to verify your identity. Once that is done, your account will be created. And the first thing you want to do is to fund your account. So first thing you got to do is to link a bank account to your Robinhood account. You got to initiate a transfer from your bank account to Robinhood account and wait for the funds to settle before you can start trading. The fourth step is to verify your identity. So you can provide identification documents such as your driver's license or passport. You can also verify using your social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number. Lastly, you can answer additional security questions to verify your identity. That just makes your account more secure and all. The fifth step is to set up security features. Now there are two steps for that. You can use the two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security, and that makes your account a lot more secure. While the second is to set up a PIN or biometric authentication such as Face ID or Touch ID. That's always great to do. I recommend that you take your time here and perform these two. That'll make your account a lot more secure. The sixth step is to explore the app and start trading. Of course, you can familiarize yourself with the app, with the app's interface and features. Play around with that, check out the stuff that you can do on it, and of course you can start trading by searching for stocks or ETFs or cryptocurrencies or options, and place orders and monitor your portfolios, and you can do a lot more stuff on the app. So that's the couple of requirements, three requirements actually on using the app. So the first is you got to be at least 18 years old to open a Robinhood account, and you also got to be a US resident to open the account and provide valid identification documents to verify your identity. It goes without saying that if you do not meet any of these three requirements, you're not going to be able to open the accounts. You're going to take your time, make sure you have all these before you go ahead and set up the account. Now I got a couple of tips for you guys. Consider starting small. With a small deposit to familiarize yourself with the app and trading. If this is your first time trading, you want to don't rush into anything. You want to start out small, familiarize yourself with the process and trading and all before you can now go big when you got more info. Take your time, learn about investing and trading. Do not jump into anything, and always double check, make sure all your info is correct, make sure you're up to date and all that, and spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. You gotta diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found that useful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like on the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.